Hi friends, in this video I'll be showing 5 methods to fix all Bluetooth problems. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Please like and share the video. Method 1. Go to settings. Then go to apps. Select see all apps. Go down and select show system apps. Then from the system apps we have to select Bluetooth. Select this Bluetooth. Then we have to do clear cache. Then we can go back to home screen. Then again go to settings, select remote and accessories. Then here again we can try to add the Bluetooth device and check it. So this is a method 1. Let me go to method 2. Method 2, again go to settings, select apps, select see all apps, then select show system apps. Then from the system apps again we have to select Bluetooth. This time we have to do clear data. Then we have to select force stop. Select force stop. Okay, done. So after that again we need to go back to home screen, then go to remotes and accessories and again try to add the Bluetooth device and check. That is a method 2. Let me go to method 3. Method 3. Go to home screen, go to settings, then select remotes and accessories, then select the device, Bluetooth device which you added, select it, then select forget. Select forget and remove the Bluetooth device, then again add it using this pair accessory option. So that is a method 3. If all these 3 methods are not working, then go to method 4. Method 4. Again go to settings, go to system, then go down. So here we can see restart. Here we have to press and hold OK button on the remote, then select reboot to safe mode. Select reboot to safe mode and go to safe mode. In safe mode again we can try to add the Bluetooth device and check. If it's working in the safe mode, that means there is some problem with the apps which you installed. So we have to uninstall all newly installed or additionally installed apps from the TV. Then we have to check it. So that way we can easily debug Bluetooth issues in safe mode and fix it. So that is a method 4. If all these 4 methods are not working, then we can go to method 5. Method 5. Go to settings, then go to system, select about, then select reset or factory reset. Select it, select factory reset. So here we should be careful because this operation would delete all data, accounts, files, videos, everything from your TV. So you should be careful. If you are okay with this deletion, you can go ahead and select factory reset and reset the TV. After reset, we can again try to add the Bluetooth device and check. So that way we would be able to fix Bluetooth issues. So these are the 5 methods. Okay, so I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please check it.